Whoever controls the chips controls the future. Right now, one country dominates artificial intelligence so completely that experts call it a monopoly of the mind. And it all runs through a single company, N-vidia. Here is what most people are not being told. The United States produces over 70% of the world's advanced AI chips, and N-vidia holds nearly 90% of the GPU market. That is not an accident. It began with the Biden administration, and the Trump administration deepened it. Through the Chips and Science Act, a $52 billion industrial war chest, America rebuilt its semiconductor manufacturing on home soil. Then came the export controls. Advanced chips, banned from reaching China, Russia, and most of the developing world. The message from Washington was clear. AI supremacy is a national security issue. Meanwhile, N-vidia's legal strategy is equally ruthless. Aggressive patents, exclusive cloud partnerships with Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, and hardware ecosystems so tightly locked in that switching costs are astronomical. And the data centers? They are being deployed at a scale that rewrites geography. Microsoft alone has committed $80 billion to AI data center infrastructure in 2025. These facilities are not just buildings, they are the new oil fields of the digital age. So, what does this mean for Africa? For Nigeria, here is the opportunity most people are sleeping on. Nigeria does not need to build the chips. It needs to build around them. First, data sovereignty. Nigeria's federal government must fast-track a national AI data center policy, partner with N-vidia, Microsoft, and Google to host regional inference hubs on Nigerian soil. This creates jobs, captures tax revenue, and plugs Nigeria into the global AI supply chain. Second, talent arbitrage. Nigerian developers are already competing globally. A government-backed AI skills fund, modeled on India's National Digital Literacy Mission, could produce 500,000 AI-ready engineers in 5 years. Third, fintech and agriculture. Nigeria's two largest economic sectors can be turbocharged with AI right now. Crop yield prediction, fraud detection, automated lending. The infrastructure already exists. The political will is the missing ingredient. Silicon Valley may have built the moat, but we have the bridge. Nigeria's choice is simple and very clear. Either we host the world's digital brain or keep paying for the subscription. The door is closing fast. Let's make sure we're the ones holding the key. Please subscribe to stay informed and ahead on tech news and tips.